all of Earth is on the brink of catastrophic global warming. We've known this, everybody knows it, we just need to make more actions.
Climate Action Unbound is a project where we're revising Hampshire College's Climate Action Plan.
It's gonna be long-reaching, or as long-reaching as we can make it.
I think it's an everybody problem. It's one of those things that you can't really extract from the history of the systems around you and the culture around you.
What are our unique responsibilities as a higher ed institution to contribute to mitigating climate change? It's a class, but it's not just a class.
It really is 100% of our teaching effort this semester.
This one is an environmental intensive, but the idea could apply to really any subject. It's your full course load for a semester.
And we have big chunks of time to work together on projects and to develop ideas and to become a team.
It's a hell of a lot of collaboration.
It's very centered around environmental science, but it draws all of our various different strengths into that one thing.
Steve's got that hard science aspect down, and Sara, of course, is incredible with community and with outreach.
Now I know how to better talk to people.
I see the ways they complement each other, and it makes me think about how I can complement the work my classmates are doing in here.
Then we rub our brains together until something hopefully fantastic comes out of it.
This is a real opportunity to influence a lot of how people do their work and how people show up on this campus.
To help other places, not just Hampshire, better their fight against climate change.
The way the class was structured, it really felt like I was signing up for a job rather than being a student.
This is probably the biggest problem that we've put students in charge of.
And something we would never have been able to do if we were just doing this, you know, as the sustainability committee on the side, moonlighting our regular jobs. And students wouldn't be able to either.
It's important, it's very important for students to be able to have their voices heard.
I don't think we'd be able to do this in any other institution.
I came to Hampshire to find the sort of challenges and opportunities and people I think I've been finding exactly in this class.
I really like one of the posters that Sara brought in here at the beginning of the semester.
Oh yeah.
And it says, "I work because I love this shit."
That kind of set up the attitude for the semester, I feel like.